Your Hyundai includes a rear camera cleaning function. This is especially important when using the digital rear view mirror. The rear camera cleaner is a built-in nozzle located near the camera lens. It is connected to the washer fluid reservoir, the same one used for windshield and rear window washers. When activated, it sprays a fine mist of washer fluid directly onto the rear camera lens. To maintain optical clarity, the rear camera lens is designed to resist water accumulation. This is achieved through a special coating on the lens surface, which causes water to bead up and roll off quickly. To spray washer fluid on the camera, push the wiper switch towards the instrument cluster. The rear window wiper will operate and washer fluid will be sprayed onto the rear window and camera. If you push and hold the switch, the wipers will operate and washer fluid will be sprayed repeatedly on the rear window and camera. Release the switch once the camera is cleaned. If dirt on the camera has not been removed, clean the camera lens with a soft cloth or cotton swab moistened with water. For more information on this and many other available features, please refer to your Hyundai Owner's Manual.